बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 6, English, page number 8 and 10. Math, page number 4. Today we will learn how to write 2. 2. We will start with a small curve. Now a slanting line. Now we are going to draw a slipping line. 2. We will do the same thing in the classwork. Dear children, do the same practice in the classwork and also in the homework. प्यारे बच्चों, आपने इसी तरह 2 क्लास वर्क में और होमवर्क में करना है.